This is what I call the virtuous cycle of becoming an effective teacher. We've all heard of the vicious cycle or the vicious circle. This is the exact opposite. We take a look at the upper left. We all start here with any topic. We're all unequivocally novices. At that point, our biggest issue is a lack of knowledge. And so our job at that point is to familiarize ourselves with the core concepts and the vocabulary and all the stuff that we don't know yet. As we move from the upper left quadrant to the upper right, we internalize these things. So in other words, all those core concepts, it becomes part of us. We don't have to revisit those things. At that point, though, you've heard the phrase enough to be dangerous. We know what we know, but we don't know what we don't know. What I propose as the most challenging quadrant is the bottom right. And that's where we're an expert. At that point, we've taken all of this knowledge, internalized it, organized it, and now we know it. And we know it cold. But the caveat here is what we call the curse of knowledge. You ever try to explain something to a 3-year-old? You have to go, okay, wait a minute. I'm going to take 2 giant steps back and start way back here because I can't relate to this person. That's what the curse of knowledge is, knowing too much that you can't explain stuff to people. And so the bottom left quadrant is where it all comes full circle, where we start to think like novices again. And we become an effective teacher by answering questions just like Harriet did. You took his question and you said, do this and this and this and this. And that was simple. And he got it because you thought like he did. He asked a very simple question as a novice, and you answered it as an effective